Most people are using AI today at just 5% of its real potential. They use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini to write captions, titles, maybe emails, and maybe explore a few ideas. But that's where it stops. They don't know how to automate their businesses. They don't know how to build AI agents or chatbots. They don't know how to connect tools into real systems that actually save time and make money. And that's exactly why we are doing this 4-hour in-person AI workshop at my studio in Vasant Vihar, Thane. Hi, I'm Malay, the founder of Caliac Studios. I have spent 15 plus years in content creation, marketing, and building digital businesses. I have built and scaled IPs that have crossed 9 lakh plus subscribers, worked with multiple brands, founders, and creators, and helped businesses turn ideas into real working systems. My foundation from IMK and SRFTI gave me a rare edge. I understand strategy, storytelling, systems, and its execution. And this workshop is me bringing all of that experience to the table. Not theory, no YouTube gyaan, but practical hands-on implementation. And in this workshop, we go deep into agentic AI, generative AI, automations, vibe coding, and real-world AI implementation for businesses and creators. In just 4 hours, you will learn how to automate tasks using N8N, create your own chatbots, build custom GPTs or gems, automate social media workflows, use AI across marketing, sales, and operations. This isn't watching me do things. You will build. You will literally create a website in less than 10 minutes, a simple web app in 10 minutes, AI-powered presentations, your AI voice, your avatar, AI images, posters, videos, and even music. And most importantly, you learn how to stitch all of this thing together into one working system. We'll explore powerful tools like Google VO3, Flow, Suno, 11 Labs, Descript, Gemini, more advanced workflows like N8N, Supabase, Gamma, and so many more. These are tools that I personally use for my agency and my IPs and also my clients. After this workshop, you won't just know about AI, you'll be able to save hours every single week, automate repetitive work, build faster, launch ideas quicker, increase your productivity, and stay ahead of 90% of people who are still confused about AI. This is in person for a reason. You can ask doubts, you can stop me anytime. You get real clarity, not just inspiration. 4 hours, interactive, hands-on, only 1,999. If you're serious about becoming future ready and you want to learn AI from someone who's actually building with it every single day, register now.